channel. Yeah, welcome back, all my friends, all my subscribers, all my viewers that are yet to subscribe. You just want to click the subscribe button today and join the moving train. If you're just seeing me for the first time, you're welcome also. Welcome to my channel. So this is a channel for you and your kids, okay? So we do educational stuff here. I give tips to parents, I give tips to teachers. So today I'm going to be talking about how to make your kids focus better in school and at home. So what do you need to do? How can you help that? Now, some children are born like that. They're naturally focused. Some of them that are naturally focused can be focused no matter the environment they find themselves in. They are just there focused on their thing, okay, until they get their work done. They're focused. And then some that are naturally focused are focused on certain conditions, that certain conditions have to be met for them to be focused. For example, maybe the environment has to be less noisy, or there shouldn't even be any noise at all. It has to be very, very quiet for them to be focused, and they'll just be doing their thing. But some children that are not naturally focused, they're not born focused, especially a lot of them that are kinesthetic movers, they just want to move, 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 move. It's hard to make them sit down and stay focused. So what do you do to help such situation? Okay, so one thing you can do is, the first thing, and that's very important for you, is to try to make the environment um friendly to their needs. It's how you have to make it friendly. You have to make it in a way that their concentration will not be tampered with. For example, let's say a child is doing homework at home and you know this child is having issues with being focused. It will be very wrong for the TV to be on, or cartoon to be on, and then it will be very wrong for some other children to be around, playing around, singing, shouting, or for the music to be on. So that's one thing you have to do. Try to make the environment concentration friendly, focus friendly. So keep away things that will make the child lose concentration and lose focus, okay? That's number one. Then another thing that is very, very important is for you to know your child's learning style. I made a video on that previously, so you can just go and check my videos, just go and check my playlist, or you can check my videos. You're going to get that video, just listen to it, and I think that's going to help you a lot. So I'm not going to talk about this one. Just go to my video because it's actually going to take a lot of time if I talk about it. So you have to know your child's learning style, okay? Is a visual learner, kinesthetic learner, auditory learner, read aloud learner, and all of that. So you have to know your child's learning style. Then thirdly, there are things that you can do, activities you can do to help your child's concentration. If your child is in kindergarten class, like those classes before primary, before elementary, okay, if your child is in those classes, there are a lot of activities that will help improve hand-eye coordination and also help improve focus and concentration. For example, you can do spot the difference activity. That's a great activity for even children that are in primary schools, lower and upper primary. Okay, so you can do spot the difference activity. There are lots of worksheets on Google. Just type spot the difference, free worksheets that you can print out. Going to be showing you examples of such worksheets as this video progresses. Okay, so spot the difference is one great one. Another one is search, number search, crossword puzzles for those children that are in upper primary. They can do crossword. They can also do word search. Those that are in lower primary, they can do word search. So all these are activities that can help boost your child's focus and concentration. And just trust me, just try it, especially the spot the difference. Coloring, there are a lot of coloring activities to aid focus. So if you have, let's say you're a teacher, you have a number of children that are still having issues with concentrating, all you need to do is to just print out those worksheets. Print as many as you can print and give it to them during break, or when they are less busy. Instead of them shouting and talking, you just give it to them. You're going to work on it. It's not what you can just say, hey, sit down and focus. It's not going to work like that, because that's what has been going on. So you have to do something else to get in results, a new result. Okay, so what you have to do is just print out. Even as parents also, you can print from Google focus and concentration worksheets. They are great, great, beautiful. You're even going to see that, oh no, this is actually what my child needs. So they are interesting worksheets that are not, because you don't want to just tell your child sit down. There's this part of you telling them to sit down and observe how long they can sit without talking. That's another one also. But this the worksheets on is very important, and I like it because it's going to keep the child active, because that's what you want. You want your child to concentrate while he or she is still active. Okay, so you tell your child, you print out the worksheets and give to your child, and just you can even do it with your child so that it will be more fun for them. And then you make it look like you're not going to tell them that you want to watch how they will concentrate. You just give it to them, and with time it's going to be helping them. You can print it for your learners also if you're a teacher. And then the last one I want to talk about today is, there are foods that aid concentration and focus. Trust me, leafy vegetables, eggs are very great source of protein that help boost brain power. It helps boost memory, it boosts brain power. So you want to include egg in your child's lunch box. Okay, so include egg, always include egg in your child lunch box. Include leafy vegetables. Try to incorporate vegetables into their meals. I know a lot of children don't really like vegetables, but you have to. Then lastly, water and a good sleep. So give your kids lots of water to school. They should take lots of water to school. So they should drink water. Some children don't know how to drink water. So you have to encourage your children, encourage your child to drink water. Water is very good. See, if a child is thirsty, such a child is not going to concentrate at all. Even as an adult, when you are thirsty, you find yourself, restless. You will not be able to concentrate. Same with children, and it's even um, worse for children because they are still little and they might not be able to think or figure out what to do about it. So imagine a child's water gets finished in school halfway into the lesson, and the child cannot drink water. There's no water to drink. So try to make sure there's enough water in your child's water can, and then they should have a good sleep. Encourage your children to take a nap when they come back from school. They should sleep early. Okay, it's very wrong for a child to sleep 12 midnight or 11 and wake up 4 o'clock. That's just about 5 hours of sleep, which is not good. It's going to affect the child in school. So they should sleep very, very well, have taken a lot of water. It's going to help them. So this is the end of today's topic. See you next time.